Well, in this video, we'll talk about how to boost your video the sound volume. So let's hear the sound first. So the sound is not louder enough, and my volume is 30%. So to increase the sound volume, you can go to the more option here, and then add it with the Clipchamp. Okay, so after it's open with Clipchamp, you just select the video parts, and here you have an audio option. Okay, so you can increase this to 200, and you export it. So that means you increase double the volume. Okay, so let's open it again to hear that. You can hear the volume is actually increase. So if you don't satisfy, you can add it with Clipchamp again, and then we select the video, increase another 100%, export it again. You can do that over and over. Now let's try the second time. So the sound is louder enough, and my volume is still 30%. So if you try 3 times or 4 times, it will be very louder. And that's how we boost the video sound volume. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye-bye.